Hello again, loves, we're back here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts, the monthly hop that Miranda and I started a very long time ago, and so many people have joined it. It's so much fun. I'm going to use this Simple Vintage in Bloom collection. Been in a Simple Vintage, Simple Stories mood lately. So I've got these 3 photos of the Great Magos. Just chilling in all her favorite spots. Let's see. I'm just going to use that because I've got an idea for what I want to do with these 3 photos. And Jamie, if you're watching this is just going to be a beautiful layout about my dog. Is that acceptable? I got this from New Hampshire Craftworks because I just did not pick up this collection, and then I was very mad at myself for not picking it up. Let's see. Before we choose this, and then I ended up with all kinds of stuff, right? So I need to figure out. I like the blue. I'm gonna do the blue, and I need. I think that pink will pop really, really well. If you can hear my husband, he's in the background. I think he's doing dishes. Let's use this one to match the 3rd photo. Okay, so we've got all of these goodies. Alright, so we've got that. And I've got like the card kit. I got all kinds of weird stuff. You know, if you know, you know, right? I feel like they're, yes. I was gonna say, I feel like there was a circle. I'm going for shapes today, right? A little bug flying around. Let's pull this little cluster as well. I don't really know. I just think it's kind of cute. Okay. Without change, there would be no, I don't know. Those are all the tags. Little scrapperooskies. Yeah. Alright, so that's what we're gonna start with. Oh, what are these? Oh, the Live Your Best Life. Alright, we're going to trim this one out. You know what? I'm actually going to just do this because I'm going to fussy cut because, you know, like I don't have enough to do. I'm going to fussy cut this guy. Those 2. And I like that. You could maybe fussy cut that. And I have no idea where this stuff, I mean, other than that Hampton Arts. Look at that. What is going on? What is this? It's a little bit on the weird side, don't you think? Starting to think. Okay. Like photocopied or something. That's weird. Alright. Well, who am I? Alright, so we've got that. Let's see. I was thinking we could fussy cut out this one of a kind. I'm actually liking the smaller tags. I just don't actually know where I got them from, so that's a little like, what's going on? Let's fussy cut out these two. So everybody else that is playing along will be linked down below. Fun. Don't think we'll use that this time. I'm gonna fussy cut that, so put that over there. Boop, 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 boop. And then what photos? I think we'll put. I think we're gonna matter in her big one, like so. Oh, you know what I did? I pulled that to matte, but you know what? We're just gonna move past my life, right? It's fine. It'll be fine. Everything's fine. Everything's great. I'm gonna trim that down. I'm gonna stick these two guys in here, and then we're gonna kind of have like a little thing going on. So let me do that. Let me trim the branding strip off. Fussy cut out some of these elements and get this going, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I got the circle here, put that fun little tag piece there, did the banner from there, popped this little fussy cut piece up on some foam along with this, got the little uniquely now because Meg's unique. I'm going to put this little butterfly there. I like to put things, you know, so we've got Oh Happy Day, Be True to You, So Pretty, The Sweetest, Carefree. And we've got a few more butterflies. And put this little gem here. It was just stuck on the outside of this. Let's see if I can find any more of them. Sure can. Let's just do this. Let's do a whole bunch of different ones. Oh man, come on. Okay, then we've got this. Well, guess we just gotta do it the old-fashioned way. So these are like stuck together. There's like a strip of gems. You guys see how I store things, right? I try to be as organized as possible. They don't always work. So we got that on there to cover the tag holes. Those are down. Let's go ahead and pop in some hearts. Right about there. Then we just got to decide. Let's use these little gemmy looking ones, right? We'll do all pink. All right. I did take a black pen and just go ahead and draw the outline. There's Maggie here on it. Maggie wasn't even in here. What the heck? All right, and that's gonna do it, you guys. So just so you know, the frame's upside down and the pattern paper is sideways, but hey, I noticed it and I couldn't fix it. So we're gonna let it go. But I'm absolutely loving this. This is very fun, bright, vibrant colors. It's one of my favorite collections because it's got all the very pretty colors in there. I did take this strip right here. It is 2 inches. And then I took the 12 by 12 strip, which is not. So it's cut right here and just made to fit across. Probably could have just saved a whole bunch of it, like that, you know, about that much of it. But we're moving on. We're doing our thing. So that's going to do it. Don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with Paw Your Way. Give them some love, and we'll see you next month right back here to do some more documentation on our lovely animals. And I will see you guys later. Bye.